Your iPhone has a convenient feature called Magnifier that can help you read small text or get a closer view of other small things or even distant ones. First, let's make sure you have the Magnifier button in Control Center. Swipe down from the upper right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. If you see a button with a magnifying glass, you're good. If not, tap or swipe up on an empty part of the screen to close Control Center. To add the Magnifier button to Control Center, open Settings, tap on Control Center, scroll down to find Magnifier under the More Controls section. Tap on the green plus sign next to Magnifier. You'll see Magnifier now under the Included Controls section. To use Magnifier to read small print, open Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of your iPhone screen. Tap on the Magnifier button, then position, paper, or menu, etc. in view of your iPhone's rear camera. There are several adjustments you can make to help you read the text on your iPhone's screen. You can use the zoom control. Just change the position of the yellow dot on the slider to zoom in or zoom out. You can also pinch to zoom. And this may be the only adjustment you need to read the small print. You can use the shutter button to take a photo. After you take the photo, you can zoom in or adjust the brightness. And this can be useful for those with shaky hands. Tapping on the camera icon brings up lens options. You can choose the front-facing camera, and you can choose a close-up camera. And this can be useful to get in close to what you're trying to see. You can hold your iPhone much closer and really see the fine detail. You can tap on the brightness control button to control how bright the image looks on your iPhone screen. You can tap on the color button to change the colors or invert the colors of the image. You can turn on the flashlight if you need to better illuminate what you're trying to read. The button with the four corners is for detection mode, where you can detect people, doors, or use the image description. The gear icon is for settings. You can choose which controls you'll see in the Magnifier app. You can turn your iPhone to the side and push the controls over to give yourself more viewing area on your iPhone screen. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe to the Mac Reports YouTube channel.